we did our Cracker Barrel review last video. Now we're gonna go over to Spirit Halloween and see what we can find. And I just have to, yeah, I used to stay there at Baymont Inn and Suites all the time, every Saturday, because I used to come over here back when I was, it was back when I was in high school, and there was a place called Felt's Music Place, and I used to perform every Saturday night. Oh, there's an ambulance. Hope everybody's okay. Too, they could be late for lunch doing that, but you never know. Anyway, so yeah, I used to stay there all the time, and it was always so nice, and they've got that big heated pool and all that stuff. Haven't stayed there in years though, but maybe I might come over here and stay a night. I don't know. See what it's like now. So we are at Spirit Halloween.
Because it is my favorite time of the year. You want to show them my nails?
Let's see your nails. Oh yeah, and we're in the sun here, so.
My sister-in-law did them.
Cute, cute, cute. Spirit Halloween. So much fun. It's scary.
You will be playing red light, green light. You are allowed to move forward when it shouts out green light. Stop when it shouts red light. If your movement is detected afterwards, you will be eliminated.
Did you just say that's your boyfriend? Oh, okay, yeah. So Samantha is going to do that one. See what it does. What? She don't like
We're clowning around. It's time for monkey business.
Yeah, so we got hats and oh wow, we got a lot of stuff in here. Clowns, all kinds of clowns. I've got to find something to wear to the Fall Frolic because this year it is disco themed. Ugh, and I don't know what to wear. Wings. Furry. Oh well. Ooh. Creepy baby.
Twinsies.
Where the darkness is your destiny.
there is a lot of costumes in here, but like I said, the Fall Frolic this year is going to be disco themed, and I just don't know. I don't know. I guess I won't dress up. Not this time. Because I'm not a disco person, I guess. I just don't like the disco theme. Yeah, no bell bottoms, no hippie stuff. Well, no, I take that back. Hippie stuff would be the 60s. Oh, well, okay. Harry Potter. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. She's gonna, you know what, a brick when she sees these. All kinds of witches. Okay, well, I have explored Spirit Halloween. So that's it, our journey to Spirit Halloween. And I didn't buy anything. Of course, Samantha's still in there. She bought some stuff. I don't know what she bought, but she bought some stuff. I think she got like 2 t-shirts. Oh well, anyway, we'll see when she comes out. Let's see some stuff that's going on. This is a neat little shopping center here in Corbin. They got Ross, they got the Dollar Tree, they got Save-A-Lot, they got Hibbett's, JCPenney's. We were in Books A Million over there in our video before last. And they've got Rack Room Shoes, they got Belks, they got a Subway, Sally's Beauty Supply over there. Also, right down through here, they've got the, that restaurant, what's it called? Backdoor Grill, Outdoor, something like that. I don't know, anyway. I never have cared for it. I've eaten there a couple of times, and it being like hit or miss, it was always miss. So what'd you get?
I got this shirt because I love Freddy. He's my favorite.
Freddy! Follow your dreams.
And then I got this little cute extras because it's also my favorite box thingy-majig. And it's got a patch, 2 buttons, 2 decals, and a lanyard. So I'm real excited about that lanyard because I'm going to be wearing that at work.
Okay.
It might